Okay, hi viewer. Long time no see. I think it's been at least 2 year plus since I record video on my watch collection journey. So here I am again. Okay, unboxing a brand new purchase. Before looking at what is being unboxed, let's take a look at the watch that I'm wearing today. Is this Tudor Black Bay Harrods Edition 41mm. Maybe with this watch, you all may have guessed which watch I'm going to unbox today. Let's take a look. Before I start, please like and subscribe and share my video. Okay, I'm a Asian guy, so the reason why I choose to purchase this watch is because of my small wrist size. Okay, this is a Tudor watch. So maybe you all may have guessed what watch is inside this Tudor watch box. Let's take a look. Okay, this is the new release. I think it's about 1 week plus ago. Tudor just released this Black Bay Chronograph in 39mm yellow. They call it the Bumblebee. Okay, why I personally like this watch is because this time around Tudor did a good job. They have reduced the diameter of the watch from 41mm to 39, and I personally love the yellow. It's very striking. I find it very nice. Let's zoom in a bit to this. Okay, so you can see the yellow. I'm a yellow person, so I love this color when it was launched online. So let's take a look as compare this with my 41mm Black Bay Harrods. You can see from here, we can see a significant size difference between the 41 on my left and 39 on my right. Thickness wise, you can see there's a huge difference. Okay, regarding the actual spec, you may want to refer to online website, but I would say that this new 39mm, I've yet to size this watch because I just received it this afternoon from my overseas counterpart. So you can see over here, the watch fits nicely on my wrist. Okay, so if you compare these two watches side by side on my wrist, I think you'll see a very huge difference. The weight wise per se, I also feel that this Bumblebee feels lighter as compared to the the Tudor Harrods version. Okay, so that's my initial thoughts on this. I think the next few days, I'll go and size this watch and wear it for a week plus before I do the next review. For the time being, okay, you can view a bit more on the thickness of the watch. I think this 39mm Black Bay Chrono suits Asian wrist very well, and it sits comfortably on my wrist, whether I wear on the left hand or my right hand. It's very nice. Okay, I think we'll stop here for today's video. Let's stay tuned for other upcoming video.